Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, separation of mixture. Student, in the last video we have discussed about the mixture. You know the mixture means? When two or more different substances mix up together in any ratio is known as the mixture. And one special property of mixture is mixture have not bonded by chemical bond. Okay, and in such process no energy become released, no energy become absorbed. Okay, so student, after the discuss about the mixture, you know the mixture are two types. First one is the homogeneous, other one is the heterogeneous. All such things we can discuss already in the last video. After the student, question is, what is the purpose of separation of mixture? If you want to separate their constituent, if you want to separate their substance from each other, then what is their purpose? What is their use? So first use is to remove a harmful or undesirable component. Harmful and undesirable. Suppose that if you get the rice which contains some insect. Yes, if you store some rice in any container, become present in the container. So question is, it is possible to eat with insect? No. So we can remove by the hand packing process. Harmful substance, undesirable substance, suppose that a stone become mixed up in the pulse. It is possible to make the pulse? No. First we remove the unwanted particle, stone particle, dust particle from the pulse. Okay. Next one is to obtain a useful substance. Means what we need, suppose that if you want to cook pulse, then we need only pulse. We don't need the seed, we don't need the stone, we don't need the chaff, okay, who already mixed up in the pulse. So we can separate their other constituent. Next one, to obtain the pure sample of a substance. And pure substance, suppose that before starting the cooking food, your mother first you can see the rice, means if any unwanted particle, any insect which are present in the rice, so become removed by the fat picking process. Okay, so students, these are the some purpose to separate the constituent of mixture. And student, the different mixture, their constituent are different. Some are solid, some are liquid, and some are gas. So by the different method, we become separate their constituent. So student, first we discuss about the how many type of mixture. So student, first one is the solid mixture. Means when two or more solid become mixed up together. So student, you know the mixture are two type. One is the homo, other one is the heterogeneous. So कैसे हम अलग करेंगे उनको? So see, like a brass, charcoal and salt, iron and sulfur. So student, brass, you know brass is not element. Is the mixture of copper and other substance. But brass is the homogeneous mixture. You know the homogeneous? In the homogeneous, we could not able see their all constituent. Okay? So this is the homogeneous, brass is the homogeneous. You know brass? Peter, but brass is the homogeneous. And see, like charcoal and salt. You know charcoal black color, salt is the white color, become mixed up together. So next one is the iron and sulfur. Iron is the brown powder and sulfur is the yellow powder. If we can mix up together, then we easily separate by different method. We can discuss in the next video. So students, these are the means. First one is the solid mixture. Solid mixture, the two type. One is the homo, other is the hetero. In the homo, we discuss about the brass, and hetero we discuss about the charcoal and salt and iron and sulfur. इसकी हम बात करेंगे. Next one is the solid liquid mixture. एक solid तो दूसरा क्या हो? Liquid है. It also the two type. One is the homo, other is the heterogeneous. To tell an example of homogeneous mixture, solid liquid mixture, salt and water, or sugar and water. If you take one glass and add 1, 2 or 3 spoon of sugar and shake well. After shaking, it is possible to identify so that you get the two glass, one without salt, one with salt. It is possible to identify which contains salt? No, because we see only the water. We could not able to see the salt particles. Okay, student. So these are the homogeneous mixture. Common salt in water, iodine in alcohol. This is the homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous. See, like sulfur in water, sand in water. Sulfur. If you take glass, in glass you take some water and add sulfur. This is the water. What you can see that? You can see that the sulfur particle deposit on the base of the glass. Okay. Similarly, the chalk powder or sand in water. You take one glass, fill the water and add the sand. Yes. What will happen? Sand deposit on the base of glass. So this is the heterogeneous mixture because we able to see their all constituent. Able to see the downside is the sand, upside is the water. Okay. Okay, student. So next one is the liquid mixture. What is the liquid mixture? When two liquid become mixed up together. Okay. These are also the two types. One is the homogeneous, other one is the heterogeneous. So in the homogeneous mixture, see like alcohol in water. Alcohol in water. So alcohol and water when become mixed up together, it is possible to identify where is the alcohol, where is the water. Tell, it is possible? No, it is not possible. So the homogeneous mixture. Other one, see petrol in kerosene. Petrol in kerosene. Petrol and kerosene, diesel. All three things are the inflammable substance used as a fuel. But question is, one time kerosene mix up in the petrol, it is possible to identify where is the petrol, where is the kerosene. पता लगा सकते हैं? नहीं लगा सकते. So this is the homogeneous liquid mixture. And next one is the oil in water and carbon disulfide in the water. So student, these two things also is the liquid mixture, but is the heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means we easily able to separate, easily able to see where is the water, where is the oil. Suppose the student, if you take one glass water and add some oil. Add some oil. So student, oil is the upside, what is the downside? Yes or no? Have you seen? देखा है कभी? नहीं देखा है? घर पे कर लेना. एक गिलास पानी लेना, आधा गिलास तेल डाल देना. तेल क्या होगा? ऊपर आ जाएगा, पानी नीचे आ जाएगा. Why? Because water is heavier than oil. So water नीचे आ जाएगा, oil ऊपर चला जाएगा. So we easily able to see where is the water, where is the oil. So it's the heterogeneous mixture. Similarly, carbon disulfide in the water. When you add the carbon disulfide in the water, we also become made the two layer. One side, one layer water, other layer is the carbon disulfide. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.